To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
The Congress party faces constant allegations from its political rivals, the criticism that their only purpose is to serve the Gandhi Parivar. And the suspicion is only growing stronger with the recent comments of Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister of Telangana. Addressing a party event that was attended by the top leadership, Telangana Chief Minister could not stop gushing over a letter written to him by Sonia Gandhi, who could not attend the program. So let's tell you first, what was in that letter that Telangana Chief Minister could not hold back. Let's take you through the content of the letter. This is what Sonia Gandhi said in the letter to Revanth Reddy. Thank you for inviting me to the event. Would have been delighted to be a part. Unable to attend due to prior commitments. Best wishes to you for a successful event. Now, Revanth Reddy said the letter is like lifetime achievement, like an Oscar award and a Nobel Prize for him. He went a step further on X, referring to former Congress president as Madam, our leader, icon of sacrifice, and also a deity.
को हम अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे, ये रेयर मॉडल लेकर देश में हम आगे जाएंगे. फाइनली ये लेटर, दिस इज फॉर मी लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट, दिस इज फॉर मी ऑस्कर अवार्ड, दिस इज फॉर मी नोबेल प्राइज. श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी मुझे अप्रिशिएट करते हुए एक खत लिखा है. फॉर मी लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट, क्योंकि बहुत सारे काम कर सकता हूं, वेलफेयर कर सकता हूं, डेवलपमेंट कर सकता हूं और दूसरे कुर्सी में बैठ सकता हूं, मगर सोनिया जी अप्रिशिएशन जो लेटर खत लिखा मेरा नाम पे, सोनिया जी खुद दस्तखत कर देके. फॉर मी दिस इज लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट. थैंक यू.
Revanth's words of appreciation for Sonia Gandhi has drawn criticism from the BJP, which says, while patriots like Shashi Tharoor are sidelined and insulted, sycophants like Revanth Reddy remain in good books of Gandhi's. BRS has also taken a jibe at the CM, asking how can a letter informing of Sonia's absence be seen as Lifetime Achievement Award? However, the Congress party maintains there is nothing wrong in praising Sonia, the manner in which Revanth did.
कांग्रेस पार्टी में चाटुकारिता, साइकोफेंसी और परिवार भक्ति की कोई लिमिट नहीं. अगर कोई देशभक्ति करे जैसे शशि थरूर तो उनको गालियां पड़ती है, और रेवंत रेड्डी जी, सोनिया गांधी जी से एक लेटर मिल गया तो उस लेटर को पीक ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन बुलाते हैं और कहते हैं कि सोनिया गांधी डेटी है, देवती है, उनकी तुलना भगवान की तरह कर दी. डेटी तो हम प्रभु श्री राम, श्री कृष्ण, हम देवियों को बोलते हैं, तो सीधा डेटी के स्टेटस पर पहुंचा दिया सोनिया गांधी को. मतलब ये तो उनकी परिवार की भक्ति है, साइकोफेंसी है. और कास्ट सर्वे इतना ही अच्छा है तेलंगाना का, तो उसके अनुसार फिर मुख्यमंत्री भी बना दीजिए ना.
कल रेवंत रेड्डी की तरफ से जो एक प्रेजेंटेशन दी गई थी कास्ट सेंसस को लेकर, उसमें उन्होंने कहा कि एक अप्रिसिएशन लेटर सोनिया गांधी जी की तरफ से उनको दिया गया है. बीजेपी इसको कह रही है कि चरण वंदना करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसको लाइफ टाइम अवार्ड कहते हुए.
आप करें तो सब कुछ जायज है, आप करें तो आपके लिए सब जायज है. भाई अपनी आइडियोलॉजी, हमारी आइडियोलॉजी की अंदर सोनिया जी सबसे बड़ी हमारी पार्टी की नेता हैं, और सोनिया जी अगर किसी को अप्रिशिएट करती हैं तो उसके लिए तो लाइफ टाइम अवार्ड ही होगा वो, और क्या होगा.
Let me go across to Somit. Somit, we just heard what the Congress leaders have to say. Well, reactions coming in from the BJP and BRS as well, criticizing Revanth Reddy, saying, only sycophants are going to be promoted in party. They are the only ones who would be acceptable. People like Shashi Tharoor are going to be obviously sidelined and ignored.
Well, that's true. See, this is not the first time Revanth Reddy or any Congress leader from the Telangana Congress Party praising Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi. Even earlier, once even BJP has criticized, stating that after Revanth Reddy has joined into the Congress Party, he has changed his tone against Sonia Gandhi. Is what even BJP was seen saying earlier. BJP criticized, stating that when Revanth Reddy was in the TDP party, the previous party, used to call Sonia Gandhi as Bali Devata. So basically, he was taken lives of Telangana people. During the movement when Telangana agitation was going on. Later, he has praised Sonia Gandhi after coming into the Congress party, and this is very much, necessary for the Congress. Any Congress leader to praise Gandhi's is what BJP leaders were seen saying earlier or now. And even BRS party has criticized Congress party, stating that, Congress party leaders, including Chief Minister, party president, and also other BC top leaders, including BC Minister, they went to the Delhi national capital to gather the support from the opposition parties, from the Congress High Command. When it comes to the 42% reservation to the OBCs, giving this reservation to the Telangana BC. So basically, in the political opportunities, in the employment, in the education sector. So in all these sectors, you need to give 42% reservation is what Congress has been seen demanding this enter. But this was the motive. But what Revanth Reddy is doing in national capital, he's saying, praising Sonia Gandhi, calling her deity, and even saying that this is nothing but a Nobel Prize for me is what not good for the Congress party. They should be more focusing on the motive, what they went to the national capital is what even opposition parties are demanding for.
All right, so Amit, thank you very much for getting us the details. Thank you for getting us the inputs. Moving